Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
Last week turned interesting as Xiaomi surprisingly launched the Mi UI 12 OS in India. We also heard news about Mi 10 Ultra, iQOO 5, Mi Note 10 Lite and more. So here's a list of all the tech news from last week. Monday, August 10, 2020 brought us news of Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra specifications and images being leaked online ahead of its launch. Vivo Y1S handset with MediaTek Helio P35 chipset was launched. Poco M2 Pro smartphone went on sale in India. Mi Note 10 Lite is likely to be launching in India as Mi 10i. Tuesday, August 11, 2020 brought us news of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Mystic Blue color variant being launched in India for a price tag of Rs 64,999. Redmi Note 8 Pro Coral Orange color variant was launched. Google Maps is now compatible with Apple CarPlay dashboard and Apple Watch. Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra with Snapdragon 865 chipset was launched. Wednesday, August 12, 2020 brought us news of Google Pixel 5 with Snapdragon 765G being spotted on the AI benchmark. Google People Cards was launched in India, which lets users create their public profile on the search engine. Redmi K30 Ultra smartphone with MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset was launched. iQOO 5 Pro BMW edition teased with triple rec cameras and is likely to be launched on August 17. Thursday, August 13, 2020 brought us news of Realme C12 and Realme C15 smartphones to be launched in India on August 18th. Xiaomi Mi UI 12 was officially launched in India. Asus ROG Phone 3's 12GB model will go on sale in India on August 21st via Flipkart. Xiaomi launched the first 55-inch transparent OLED TV. Friday, August 14, 2020 brought us news of Microsoft Surface Duo with Snapdragon 855 chipset being launched in the US with a price tag of $1,399. Motorola Moto Razr 5G foldable smartphone to be launched on September 9th. Vivo S1 Prime smartphone with quad-rec camera was launched. iOS 14 users will now be able to share approximate location instead of its exact one. Saturday, August 15, 2020 brought us news of Apple iPhone 12 launch being postponed until October. The new iPad and Apple Watch is likely to be launched in September. Twitter launched a special emoji. Apple iOS 13.6.1 and iPad OS 13.6.1 was released to fix troubling issues in the operating system. Redmi Book Air 13 with 10th generation Intel Core i5 processors was launched. Sunday, August 16, 2020 brought us news of Telegram getting a video calling feature soon. Nokia 5.3 listed on official India website and is likely to be launched soon. Google is likely to replace Duo with Meet for all users. Oppo Reno 4 Pro Artist Limited Edition launched in China for a price tag of Chinese yuan 4,299. That's all that we have for this week's Tech Roundup. See you next week.